Titans shouldn't exist. No organs, no logic, no mercy. Yet they walk, regenerate, and hunt us with one goal: consume. But what if I told you their biology, impossible as it seems, is rooted in horrifying science? And worse, it's by design. This is the disturbing truth behind the Titans in Attack on Titan, a truth that will change how you see the entire show. Titans don't work like living creatures. Their skin lacks any real cellular structure. Their bodies are too lightweight to support their size. They don't eat, but they obsessively hunt humans. And they only die from a single precise cut at the nape. That's not biology, that's design. None of it makes sense, unless you stop thinking of them as animals and start thinking of them as weapons. Biological weapons, crafted with terrifying precision. So where did they come from? It all goes back to one girl, Ymir Fritz, the first Titan. But she didn't just turn into one, something fused with her. An organism, alien and ancient, that looked eerily like a real-world creature from Earth's deep past. Hallucigenia, a spiny, parasitic life form from our own evolutionary history. That's the origin of the so-called source of all living matter. This parasite granted Ymir godlike powers, and when she died, those powers were split into 9 fragments, creating the 9 Titans we know today. But here's the twist. Titans don't just bend biology, they weaponize it. Take their regeneration. A Titan can lose an arm, a leg, half their face, and within seconds, it grows back. Not through normal tissue healing. This is stem cell replication pushed beyond all natural limits. It's cell division at hyperspeed, like a body running a cancerous growth algorithm on purpose. That's why they steam constantly. The heat isn't a side effect. It's the cost of powering a flesh factory in real time. And then there's their size. Titans are huge. They should collapse under their own weight, but they don't. Why? Because they're hollow. Not just light for their size. They're built like bird skeletons or aerogels, ultralight structures that are strong but unstable. That's why they run with such disturbing motion. Their bodies aren't just strange. They're engineered for specific, terrifying movement. But the weirdest part, they don't eat. Not really. They swallow people whole, but their bodies don't metabolize food. They don't even have proper digestive systems. Some Titans throw up the corpses later, completely undigested. So why eat humans at all? Instinct. Programming. Titans are wired to hunt Titan shifters. Because if a pure Titan eats a shifter, it doesn't just gain power, it becomes human again, inheriting the mind, memory, and might of the shifter it consumed. It's a self-replicating loop. Hunt, absorb, evolve. That's not evolution. That's a kill switch built into a living weapon. But we can go deeper. Every Titan transformation requires spinal fluid. That means the Titan parasite isn't just in the bloodstream, it lives in the spine, hijacking the nervous system directly. When someone turns into a Titan, it's not just their body transforming, it's a hostile takeover, a parasite seizing full control. Shifters like Eren, they retain some agency, but pure Titans lose it all. Their minds are gone. All that's left is instinct, hunger, the endless programmed drive to find a shifter and consume. And the longer you stare at that process, the more it feels familiar. They're not monsters, they're zombies. Genetically engineered parasitic zombies with just enough brain function to complete a mission. One objective: devour the key, pass on the code, and repeat the cycle. Still think Titans are just freaks of nature? Look at the 9 shifters. Each one has its own distinct powers. The Colossal Titan doesn't just grow, it detonates. The Beast Titan has animal traits. The Jaw Titan is smaller, faster, and stronger. These aren't just random. They're deliberate mutations. Evidence that the Titan parasite can be guided, engineered, customized, which means someone, or something, is controlling the evolutionary path. And that someone is the founding Titan. It doesn't just rule the Titans, it shapes them, alters their bodies, rewrites their minds. It is, in every sense, a genetic architect. And that's the final, sickening realization. Titans aren't monsters. They're weapons. Their regeneration isn't a miracle. It's battlefield durability. Their instinct to consume shifters isn't survival. It's software. They're hollow, steam-blasting bodies designed for destruction, not life. Every part of them is calculated, tactical, functional. They were never meant to exist as living beings. They were built to be used. Titans aren't monsters. They're weapons. A parasite with intelligence or a virus with an agenda. And if Attack on Titan science mirrors real biology, then maybe the parasite isn't extinct. Maybe it's just waiting for a new host. If you enjoyed this, you'll also like my other anime videos infused with science, like the real science used in Attack on Titan time travel, which will change your perception of the whole show. And other than that, take care and stay sharp.